Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, March 18, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am doing well, thank you.
Is the coffee machine working today?
Yes, it is working fine. I just made some coffee.
That is good news. I am very tired this morning.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I did not. I was working late on my computer.
You work too much, David. You need to rest.
I know, but I have a big sales target this month.
How many clients do you need to call today?
I have to call 25 clients before lunch.
25 clients is a lot. You will be very busy.
Yes, I am always busy. How is your new project?
My project is going well, but we have a lot of meetings.
I do not like meetings. They take too much time.
As a project manager, meetings are my job.
I prefer talking to clients and selling products.
We all have different skills. That is why we work together.
True. By the way, the coffee tastes different today.
They changed the coffee brand. Do you like it?
It is okay. It is very strong.
Strong coffee is good for a busy day in the office.
You were right. I need all the energy I can get.
Did you check your email this morning?
Not yet. Did the boss send a new message?
Yes. She sent an email about the new company goals.
I will read it later at my desk.
Maybe the new economic news will help our goals.
Economic news? I do not read the financial news.
You should read it. It affects your sales directly.
Tell me about it. What happened in the economy?
The U.S. Federal Reserve announced a big change today.
Did they change the interest rates again?
Yes, they announced a 2% drop.
A 2% drop? That is a very big change.
It is a controversial move. People are talking about it a lot.
Why is it controversial? Lower rates are usually good.
Economists say it will help 50,000 small businesses grow.
That is perfect. Small businesses buy our software.
Yes, it is very good for our company's sales.
I will call my small business clients today. They will be happy.
But some critics are very worried about the future.
Why are they worried? The economy needs help.
They worry about long-term inflation.
Inflation is a big problem. Everything is expensive.
Exactly. Food and rent cost a lot of money right now.
I hope inflation does not go up. I want to buy a new car.
A new car is a big purchase. You should wait.
Maybe you are right. I will save my money in the bank.
Saving money is always a good idea.
Speaking of money, I also need a new phone for work.
Is your current phone broken?
No, but the battery is terrible.
How long does your battery last?
It only lasts 4 hours. I have to charge it all the time.
That is very annoying for a sales representative.
Yes, I travel a lot. I use my phone for client calls all day.
Did you see the news about the new TechCorp smartphone?
No, I missed that. Is it a good phone?
It has a revolutionary new battery technology.
Really? Tell me more about it.
The new battery lasts 7 days.
7 days? You are joking. That is impossible.
It is true. It is a major disruption in the mobile market.
That is amazing. How long does it take to charge?
It only requires a 10-minute charge.
A 10-minute charge for 7 days of power? I need it.
Traditional phone manufacturers are very angry about it.
I bet they are. Their phones are obsolete now.
Yes, TechCorp is changing the whole technology industry.
I am going to buy it today after work.
Wait, David, do you know the price?
It cannot be that bad. How much is it?
It is priced at $1,200.
$1,200? That is a fortune for a phone?
I told you to save your money.
I cannot spend $1,200 on a phone. My boss will not pay for it.
It is a very premium device. Only some people can buy it.
I will keep my old phone and buy a portable charger.
That is a very practical solution. You save a lot of money.
I need my money for entertainment and fun.
What kind of entertainment do you like?
I want to buy tickets for a big pop concert next month.
Are you talking about the famous global pop star?
Yes, I love her music. Her concerts are great.
I have some bad news for you, David.
Do not tell me the tickets are $1,200 too.
No, the tickets were $200.
That is a normal price for a big concert. So what is the problem?
She canceled her upcoming tour.
She canceled the tour, all of it?
Yes, she canceled the entire 50 concert tour.
50 concerts? That is a huge tour to cancel.
Her fans are completely outraged on the internet.
I am outraged too. I really wanted to go with my friends.
She refunded the $200 tickets to everyone.
Well, at least she gave the money back. That is honest.
Yes, she was very fair about the refunds.
Why did she cancel? Is she sick?
She stated she is focusing on her mental health.
Mental health is important. Fame must be very hard.
Yes, the pressure of being a global star is intense.
What is she going to do now?
She is relocating to a quiet farm in the country.
A farm? Like with animals and tractors?
Yes, she bought a rural farm with 20 cows.
20 cows? What does a pop star know about cows?
Maybe she wants to learn. She wants a simple life.
Waking up early to feed 20 cows is not simple. It is hard work.
It is a different kind of work. It is peaceful and quiet.
I do not understand it. She had everything in the city.
Sometimes success does not bring happiness. People change.
I would be very happy with her money in a big city.
You are very practical, David. You love the city life.
I am a sales representative. I like numbers and people.
I am a project manager. I like structure and planning.
We are very different, but we work well together in this office.
Yes, we do. Our team is very efficient.
Well, my coffee cup is empty. I need to start my day.
Mine is empty too. We should get back to work.
I have 25 clients waiting for my call.
And I have a project meeting in 5 minutes with the boss.
Good luck with your meeting, Alex.
Good luck with your sales calls, David.
See you later. Have a good day.
See you later, David. Have a great day.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.